Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parrying.
Check.
Try and okay. What's his profile like? It's 1 minute 1027. It's based on one game. 3 minutes 1744. He's been up to 2182 on the 5-minute auto parrying. I'll take this to hold the D5 square. Looks interesting in some respects. Right, immediately undoubles. Right, Queen C7 and yeah, just putting a rook on B8. I have to hold A7 anyway. Is that a massive liability actually? Queen A4, A6. Doesn't seem too comfortable, this position. But anyway. Okay. So protect here, rook B7, Queen C8, Bishop H3. That's unsound. Well, actually, I didn't even take that, but knight D5 I think anyway. If I took that, there's C5 here, B5. I suppose, yeah, try and lock down. Can I play knight D7 to B6? I wonder, knight D7 to B6. I'm not sure that's doing much, but maybe it's okay. Let's see what's happening here. Knight B6. Yeah, that's pressure, pressure. Right. Can I do this? Try and hold the fort. Right, it seems solid enough at the moment. Can I afford to play F6, I wonder? Right. I don't think I'm doing too much here at the moment, clearly. What about F5? Is it too weakening? I can't really improve this bishop at the moment. It's okay. He's putting on squeeze. Takes, I get that D5, plays F5, maybe G6 like that. small and passive here. I can't really give him the e4 square, that's for sure. Do a bit of manoeuvring for a moment, seeing what he's up to. Alright, can I exchange off the dark square bishops? Here's a plan. He's not giving me a chance. I was wondering about bishop h6 as a plan. Right, that's not happening, is it? g5, h5. I'll get the king over here. Bishop d7, rook h8. Now he's getting short on time. Rook a8, rook c7. Oh, he's going to end up winning b6 if I'm not careful. We're going to take on here. Oh, he's going to win a pawn. Right. Yeah, he's winning a pawn. G takes. He's going to probably play g takes. Put a knight on g4. Unpleasant. Try and like unpin. If the rook moves, then there's rook a7. Oh, he's going to win another pawn. It's getting a bit nasty. Oh no, I'm going to lose another pawn. It's not good. Oh, this gets really nasty. Wow. Going to challenge this rook. It's getting squished.
Check.
We can win his piece back. It's going to do worse. Can't do anything here. G3 is going to stop that. I'm getting mated to bishop f6. Well, that's nice. I have to give up my queen. Oh boy.
Check.
Let's play this. What takes?
Check.
He's only got 14 seconds though.
Check. Check.
Maybe this doesn't look too promising.
Check. Check.
3 seconds.
Check.
He takes that. Wow, what great technique from him. But yeah, his bullet rate, his 1 minute is 1027, and his 3 minutes 1744. This is the kind of person you have to put up with on the auto pairing. Completely mismatched ratings.
Check.
And oh well. I'm surprised he didn't finish that off in time. Yeah, I created a pawn sack. I didn't need to. I didn't need to do that at all. I should try and keep solid here. He controls that A file.
Check.
It's knight g5, the engine move. Queen g2.
Check.
That's pretty good for white anyway.
Check.
Yeah, it's all pretty good. Yeah, f7 is just like winning the queen. I just went into survival mode here, trying to
Check.
think, okay, do I want to be checkmated? Because here is bishop f6 the main two. So yeah, you know, this is the thing. This is why I don't like ICC anymore. There's people with these mismatch ratings, and they can't even finish off a queen up. Actually,
check.
You know, queen up. You can't finish this game, of course.
Check. Check.
You could just queen the other pawn, but you know.
Check.
Oh well.
Check. Check.
A little bit amusing, I guess. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.